Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today we're going to take a look at this box from Darn Good Yarn. It is box number 13. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you so much for visiting me again, and if you're brand new, thank you for finding me. I really appreciate it. So today we're going to take a look at what's inside box number 13 of the Darn Good Yarn Club. Let's take a look at what's inside this box and let's see what you think. All right, so straight out the gate, look at how pretty this yarn is. All right, let me go ahead and take this out. One thing I like about my little Darn Good Yarn box is I get that little extra thing in there, and sometimes the extra thing is just as exciting as the yarn that I get. Okay, so let's first focus on the yarn. All right, so this is a silk roving worsted weight yarn, and the colorway is called Midnight Pines. I really like this colorway. It's a light taupe, it looks like, or oatmeal, with this royal blue and beautiful emerald green. It is beautiful. I hope that it's showing well on the camera. It looks like it might be a little bit dark, but it is a beautiful colorway. And to tell you a little bit more about this yarn, gotta flip this over. So it is a worsted weight or 4 weight yarn. They recommend a 4.5 to a 5.5 millimeter needle, knitting needle, or for the hook, either a 5.5 to a 6.5 millimeter hook. And it does look like this little skein right here is generally $14.99 is the regular price because it is recycled silk. It is 50 grams or 75 yards of recycled silk yarn. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so pretty. So let's go ahead and take a look at, before we look at the extra little piece they send us, let's take a look at the whatchamacallit, the pattern that they give us for this time around. Okay, so for the knit pattern, it is this little container right here, and that is so cute. I love that little container. So it's like a little where you can toss change into it, something you can put on your dresser or in your bathroom, and you can toss change or rings or jewelry or something inside of it. So you get something very similar with the crochet pattern, this cute little tray type thing. Okay, and then it looks like you pinch the ends together and you sew them together to make that little square. That is super duper cute. I really like that. So that is the pattern that you get. And finally, the little extra thing that comes in the box, for the box number 13, are these super duper cute felt ball coasters. They are crazy cute. So I'm leaving this one closed, but I'm gonna show you the one that I opened that my daughter saw this and she immediately said, "Can I have one?" But look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? And they do sell this separately on their website. I'm going to go ahead and link that down below. But it is normally $14 for a set of 2 little felt ball coasters. But these are so cute. And you know it's going to soak up any moisture that comes from a cup that you put on it. So I really like this. Actually, I'm so excited about this, almost more excited than yarn, but I do love that yarn, that color of that yarn. So yeah, this is super duper cute. Now one thing that I always forget to tell you guys about, well, I've mentioned it I think maybe in one other video, but one good thing about Darn Good Yarn is that they actually have a rewards program. So you get points for every dollar that you spend. So the first few dollars that you spend, you get less points. But as you spend more and more money with them, you start to get more points per dollar. And then you can redeem those points for free products, for gift cards. And then you can buy something with a gift card. So basically free products. So they have some really great things on their websites. And what I like to do with my points is I wait until there's a really good sale on something. For example, I have gotten yarn bowls that have been discounted down to $15, and I use my points to get myself a $15 gift card or a $20 gift card, and then I get the bowl with my points. So and then last year there was a calendar for Christmas, a little calendar thing, and in it had some cotton yarn, and I used my points for that. So I think that's really cool that they do that. I really, really like that about Darn Good Yarns. Anytime I've had something happen, like for example, I forgot to update my address in one of my boxes, so went to an old address of mine. They just, I didn't realize what had happened, so I sent something to them complaining that, hey, I spent money on this and I never got it. Well, it's because I was sent it to an old address. But they, no questions asked, just refunded me the money and said, nope, no problem. You didn't get your box. We're going to refund the money. And I thought that was super kind of them because it was my mistake. It wasn't their mistake. So their customer service has always been amazing. And I have really, really enjoyed any time that I've had an interaction with them. Enough about that. Back to the box. What do you think of this box? Isn't it super cute? Now, I do know that I usually give away one of the boxes each time that I have one of these videos. But that's not going to happen this time because I really like this yarn and my daughter likes this yarn. So I'm going to make the project for this yarn for each of us, one for each of us. So I am going to keep my little, my skein of yarn here. However, if you guys watch me live on Saturdays, I'm going to link up above to the playlist for my lives. But if you haven't yet, you might want to join me because I do giveaways, a live giveaway every Saturday at the end of my live show. I'm going to include this as something that you can choose from for that giveaway. So I give you a choice, and then I send on your choice. So this is going to be included in that, the coasters, because I'm going to use my 2 coasters that I've already opened. My daughter and I are going to be using them here on this table. But there's our coasters. But oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. So cute and so colorful. I love those. So anyway, I want to say again, thank you so much for joining me today, you guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these boxes. Let me know what you think of the videos. And until next time, you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.